Here's how to split faces and add colors in Ondsel. Let's turn this green racket into a multicolor version. First, create a datum plane in the Part Design workbench. Leave it as deactivated and click OK to apply. Click Yes to continue. Select the datum plane. Then expand the placement panel. Enter a Z-axis position. Enter an angle of 45 degrees. It has the wrong rotation axis. Enter Y is 1 and Z is 0. Enter the angle of 45 degrees again. Enter Y is -1 to flip the direction. Click this button to create another datum plane. Click OK and then Yes again. Select the datum plane. Enter a Z-axis position. Now select the part workbench. First, select the latest feature of the model. Then hold Ctrl and select the datum planes. You can release Ctrl now. Click the Part menu and select Split. Then click on Slice to Compound. Now all faces are split on the datum planes. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Export FreeCAD models directly to their website with this macro. Then quickly preview your design. Select how it should be manufactured, and submit your request. Let's select one face. Click the View menu and select Color per Face. Select a face again. Here you see which faces are selected. Hold Ctrl and select the other faces. Then click this button and select a color. Click OK to apply. All selected faces have that color now. You can easily add more faces to color. Click OK to apply. Select a face from the middle section. Click the View menu and select Color per Face. Hold Ctrl and select the other faces. And add a white color. Click OK to apply. Consider subscribing if you like my content, thanks. Let's move on to the handle part. Click the View menu and select Color per Face. Select all other faces, but you can also use Box Select. Then click the Color button and select a black color. You can make models more fun this way. Please keep watching for more, thanks. Also check out my other channel for all my 3D printing projects and tutorials. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.